In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hotkeys on interactive brokers. If you place a lot of orders or manage positions actively, hotkeys can save you precious seconds and reduce mouse clicks. We'll be working inside Interactive Broker's Trader Workstation, often called TWS. Go ahead and open TWS on your computer and make sure you're logged in so the settings can be saved to your profile. TWS has two common layouts, Mosaic and Classic. The menus are slightly different, but the process is the same. If you're using the Mosaic layout, look toward the upper left and open the File menu. If you're in Classic TWS, open the Edit menu instead. From that menu, select Global Configuration. This is the central place where TWS stores most of your preferences, and it's where hotkeys live. In the Global Configuration window, you'll see a panel on the left with categories. Click Hotkeys. This opens the Hotkey Manager, where you can create, view, and adjust shortcuts tied to specific trading actions. In the main pane, you'll find the Possible Actions list. This is a catalog of what you can trigger with a shortcut, such as buy, sell, and many other order or trading commands. Take a moment to scan the list and pick the action you want to shortcut. For example, if you want a quick way to place a buy order, select Buy from the list. With your action highlighted, click Create Shortcut. You'll now see a prompt to assign the actual key combination. Click Record and then press the key or key combo you want to use. On Windows, that might be something like Ctrl+B. On macOS, you might choose Command+B. Keep it memorable but safe. Avoid simple single-letter keys that you might hit accidentally, and try not to reuse system-level shortcuts that your operating system already reserves. After pressing your chosen keys, the combination should appear in the field. Double-check that it looks correct and that it matches what you intended. If you change your mind, you can press Record again and try a different combination. Once you're happy with it, click OK to save. This confirms the new shortcut and returns you to TWS with your hotkey now active. That's all there is to it. By opening TWS, heading to the right menu for your layout, selecting Global Configuration, choosing Hotkeys, picking an action from the Possible Actions list, creating the shortcut, recording your key combo, and clicking OK, you've streamlined your workflow. Use these thoughtfully, and you'll be able to act quickly and confidently right from your keyboard.